Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Me and Mind Machine Learning. This is the statics tutorial series. Today I will discuss the correlations. So basically, what is the correlations? Correlation is the relations between the two quantities, like relation between height and weight, relation between the product and market response. All these are the part of correlations. So how to relate the one quantity with another quantity, that is called correlations. So what is the intuitive approach of a correlations? Like, before starting the concept of correlation, there is one quotation is very essential to learn the concept of correlations. You get what you give, means that what you give, that will returns. Either quantity may be vary. Like, there are two friends, David and Joggy. David has a 12 chocolate. David give a 12 chocolate to Joggy, and Joggy will return to the 12 chocolate to David. Like, David has David return the David give the 5 chocolate to Joggy. Joggy return 1 chocolate, and David, and so on. So there are the two relations between the David and Joggy relationship. In the first case, Joggy, David is the 10 chocolate and Joggy return back to 12 chocolate. Okay, so there is the correlations, means 10 versus 12. There is a little bit differences, but in the cases, David give the 5 chocolate and Joggy returned the 1 chocolate. So there are differences between them. There are 4 differences. That differences is 4. Now in the cases, same conditions, there is the no regularity between them. David gave the 10 chocolate and Joggy returned the 25 chocolate. There are 4 differences between them. So in a correlations, there are 3 kind of correlations discussed. So first is the positive correlations. So what is the positive correlations? Positive correlations, it's relations between the low value are paired with a low value and high values are paired with a high value. The relationship is called positive. Like, David give a 1 chocolate and return and get a 1 chocolate, means that it's a low value, get a low value. But in the another case, David give a 10 chocolate and get back 10 chocolate. That is the high paired relations. So that relation is called positive relations. Now come to the negative relationship. Negative relationship is completely opposite to the positive relations. So what is the negative relations? Lower value relate with a higher value, means that David up, Joggy down, and that is the vice versa. Higher value give the lower value, and so it means that David give a 1 chocolate and receive 25 chocolate. Another cases, David give the 25 chocolate and receive the 1 chocolate. This kind of relationship is called negative relations. It means that like height and weight, your height is the increases, your weight is the decreases, and weight is the increases, your height is decreases. That is not universal truth, only for the analogy, only for the understanding purpose. So this is the negative relationship. Now come to the little relationship. What is the little relationship? David give a 5 chocolate and get a 1 chocolate. It means that now if consider the David give a 15 chocolate and get 1 chocolate, John take a 5 chocolate and get a 30 chocolate. It means that there is a far differences. 15 minus 1, that is the 14, and 5 minus 30, that is the 25. So there are the far differences between them. So this is called little relationship. Why? Because There is no regularity between the Johan and David. David give a 5 chocolate and return back to 1 chocolate, and Johan take the 5 chocolate and get a 30 chocolate. So there is no regularity between the Johan and David. This is the called little relations. So further video we will discuss the Pearce correlation coefficient. This is the very important to how to graphically represent the two variable and what kind of relationship between two variables, like positive relation, negative relation, and little relations. This is the whole concept of correlations. So please share and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming video. This is the upcoming tutorial is the Pearson's correlation coefficient. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.